tiger is a carnivorous animal that lives in forests and is one of the most endangered species on Earth. It is the national animal of countries like India that is doing every bit to save the tiger population. There are mainly two large species of tigers, Panthera tigris and Panthera tigris sundaica. Leopard, Panthera pardus, also called panther, large cat closely related to the lion, tiger, and jaguar. The name leopard was originally given to the cat now called cheetah, the so-called hunting leopard, which was once thought to be a cross between the lion and